Hello, welcome. This is Blockchain Bloom, the blockchain educator. I'm Attila Pinky, and in today's video, I'm going to talk about that about just 4 million the Bitcoin is in circulation. The rest of it is in cold storage, and it's not really moving, or as you know, some of them is lost. So 4 million is not a lot, and it's getting less and less. That's how it looks like. And the second news, it's all about that the House passed Biden's 1.9 trillion COVID relief package, so for 1.9 trillion US dollar. And actually, let's talk about it, how it can affect the market. And the third news, it's all about that probably PayPal is about to buy a crypto custody firm, Curv. So PayPal is making another move in crypto. So all this in today's video. Don't forget to educate yourself with these daily videos, which I put on YouTube. So from Monday to Friday, you're getting the freshest cryptocurrency and blockchain news. The only thing you have to do, like this video so it gets to more people on YouTube, and also then hit the subscribe button, notification bell, and then all, because then you're going to receive the notifications about the videos whenever they go online, so getting on YouTube. And also don't forget, I have a totally free course for you. It's the link, it's under the video. It's all about how to start to invest in Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies, and there are other useful links, so check out the links under the video. And now it's time to look at the market, how that looks like. As we can see here, okay, let's zoom a little bit in so you guys can see it even better. Okay, that's going to be good. Right, so we can see Bitcoin right now again above 50,000 US dollar, right now at 51,361, which is a 4.5% increase in the last 24 hours. We can also see Ethereum coming up 1.75%, almost at 1,600. When we're looking at the top gainers, we can see Energy Web token 32% up, Ocean Protocol 24%, Engine going up 16%, and so on and so forth. So we can see some gains, no question, in the top 100. And we have some losers, but not too many losers, and also not big losers. You know, here, Unos Leo 5%, Theta Fuel 5%, SushiSwap 4%. This is actually kind of nothing. More gainers than losers, and actually, again, Bitcoin, it's above 50,000, which is actually a very good one. So let's move on to the first news, which is all about Bitcoin, that there is actually about just 4 million Bitcoin in circulation, which is getting less and less because big investors are buying Bitcoin. So we know that the supply for Bitcoin is limited. It will be 21 million in the future, and this will be around 2140 when the last Bitcoin will be mined. Right now there is out 18 million point 76, something like that. And we do know that there is 2-3 million of Bitcoin which is kind of lost, you know, but the rest is in the system, and it's in cold storages, the majority, because what we have see here, and let me show you this article, that more institutional investors jumping into Bitcoin leaves less to go around, and data shows. So institutions are buying more Bitcoin per month, and that's than what's being mined, and there is just isn't enough for everyone. So what's happening right now? In a day, 900 Bitcoin getting into the system. Why? Because the miners get as a reward 6.25 Bitcoin, and a Bitcoin block is mined, roughly speaking, in 10 minutes. So if we multiplied this in 24 hours, then we get 900 Bitcoin. And right now, the institutional investors are buying actually more than it's mined. 4 million, that's roughly how much Bitcoin is circulating freely right now. Blockchain data shows that the number has been getting a little smaller with each passing month over the last year. So it's always getting bit less, bit less, bit less. Bitcoin's liquidity supply change, the amount by which the number of coins in circulation has changed over the past over the prior 30 days has been negative for most of the past year, according to Glassnode, as you can see here. So what we have in circulation, it's actually less and less and less, which means whatever weak hands are selling, strong hands are buying and they're holding. That's a longer period in negative than seen historically, potentially providing more support to Bitcoin's price strength in the long term, despite the short-term correction, like last week, 21% retreat. So yes, we have seen some corrections, which we have seen last week, obviously. But yes, the thing is that when people buying strong, weekends are selling, strong hands are buying, and the number which is circulating in the system, so sell and buy, it's getting actually now less and less. And this is a very, very interesting thing, because what if in years' time, so of course I'm not talking about a couple of weeks, a couple of months, but in many years' time, these kind of Bitcoins which are circulating right now can end up in cold storages. And then it will be, of course, much less, circulating around. So it will be more difficult to get Bitcoin. And this can actually increase its value, no question of that. So this could be actually a very, very interesting thing. And yeah, now this is the way we're going slowly, smoothly, but this is like right now the trend. Let's talk about the second news, which is all about that the House passes Biden's $1.9 trillion COVID relief package, which can be a relief for the whole market, by the way. Yes, we haven't talked about stimulus checks for a while, but now the next package is around. And as you can see here, House passes Biden's $1.9 trillion COVID relief package. The House of Representatives voted early Saturday morning to approve President Joe Biden's $1.9 trillion pandemic aid package, and which can come out then actually, in this case, maybe then in weeks. And when this is out, this brings an interesting question. Here's another article which is talking about the fact that the dollar was a bit getting stronger, and this could also affect a little bit when Bitcoin price is going down, what happened last week. Of course, I'm not talking about that this was the whole reason, because you do know that the miners were selling, but all these little bits kind of add up. But actually, the opposite is happening, because when the dollar price is weakening, going down, then Bitcoin price is kind of going up. And if $1.9 trillion will be printed and gets into the system, this will definitely weaken a little bit the US dollar sooner or later, because simply there is just more dollar in the system. Here you can see that first, the dollar's decline naturally benefit Bitcoin. Second, the impending $1.9 trillion US stimulus could serve as a catalyst for a broader Bitcoin rally while diluting the value of the dollar. Bitcoin likely slumped in the past week due to the shaky macro climate as the dollar began to climb and bond yield rose to the yearly high. If the macroeconomic conditions were the major catalyst for Bitcoin downturn, now the bond yield are easing, it could be Bitcoin's monument in the coming weeks. But yes, definitely. Usually when stimulus checks are coming, then the stock market is going up, and also the crypto market can go up. So this could be actually a bullish case. We'll see how it plays out. We do know that historically March is a rather bearish or sideways month. not that bullish, but each year can be different. We are in a different market, different situation. We have the pandemic, so things are kind of crazy. We had this kind of pullback last week, a nice 20-something%. There was a support level. Bitcoin held itself around 43,000. It's back over 50,000 pretty soon, which is a great news. And actually, we see when Bitcoin reaches this 56,000, then it can go another rally, maybe up to 60. So we will see that. And now let's move to the third news, which is all about that probably PayPal is buying custody firm called Curv. If you remember, it was big news when PayPal got into the game, crypto game, last year in autumn. Bitcoin price rose nicely because of PayPal. And we do know that PayPal hasn't stopped there. And they're making significant moves getting into crypto more and more. In this article, you can see that PayPal to buy crypto custody firm Curv sources. So this is not an official announcement, but there are sources they're saying that. One source tells CoinDesk that Curv could be sold for as much as $500 million. PayPal is said to be in the process of buying Curv, technology firm that powers the secure storage of cryptocurrency, according to 3 sources familiar with the situation. PayPal is buying Curv for $500 million. Yep. A source from within the digital asset custody space told CoinDesk on Monday. From where I'm hearing it, I'm pretty sure it is true. So yes, these are kind of predictions, but all this started, some kind of gossiping around that PayPal getting in crypto and finally got in crypto. So they getting bigger and bigger, they taking crypto more and more serious. So this case that they actually investing in a crypto custody firm is actually not out of the question. And yes, there are rumors around for a while that they aiming to buy Curv. And actually, this could be the case. This is, again, something that PayPal, which has more than 340-something million active accounts, so users, and they're getting bigger in crypto, it can make crypto even more mainstream as it's getting to more and more people, and people can use then crypto through PayPal, for instance. It could be just another opportunity. So I'm curious about that. Guys, that's it for today. Don't forget to like this video so it can get to more people, and also subscribe to this YouTube channel, Blockchain Bloom, because then you're going to get these daily videos, subscribe, bell button and all, and I keep you up to date on a daily basis. Check out the free course which you can download under this video. You can see the link, how to start to invest in Bitcoin, other cryptocurrencies. There's another course all about understanding Bitcoin and blockchain and several useful links. Check them out, and of course, see you tomorrow when I'm bringing you the freshest cryptocurrency and blockchain news. Have a good one. Bye-bye.